Hi children, this is Deepika Bhaskar from GK Jain School. Today I am going to take class for 5th standard, subject science, and the lesson name is food. Before going to the session, please subscribe our YouTube channel GK Jain School so that you never miss any new update from our school. Thank you children. If you like this video, press the like button. Now we move on to the lesson, food. Today we are going to learn about the topic is diseases. What is mean by diseases? A disease is an abnormal condition that affects a living organism. That means a disease is an abnormal condition. When we are in a normal condition, will be healthy. But we are affected by some abnormal condition, the living things will affect more. Not only by humans, it affects the plants and animals also. They also get diseases. This is an abnormal condition affects the structure and the functions of the organisms. Diseases may be caused by external factors as well as internal dysfunction. Each disease has symptoms. We come to know about the diseases from their symptoms. We all know each disease has some symptoms. Like that, we are affected by the symptoms. Children, now we are going to see the causes of diseases in detail. Metabolic factors. That means the metabolism of our body will changes. It will produce some changes in the body. So the metabolic factors, for example, is diabetes. Next one is genetic factor. Genetic factor means it's come from the genes. This disease is caused by the parents or their grandparents. For example, color blindness. This is a genetic factor. The next one is microorganism. The disease is caused by the microorganisms like bacteria, virus and fungi and all. So the bacterial diseases all comes under the microorganism factors. The next one is nutritional factors. The lack of nutrition will causes the nutritional factors. For example, marasmus and kwashiorkor, these and all comes under the nutritional factors. One is environmental factors. Our surrounding is caused some diseases like cholera and corona. Nowadays we are affected by the corona. In earlier days, the people they were affected by the cholera. These are the environmental diseases. These are caused by the environmental factors. What are surrounding us, they are causing these diseases. Now we are going to see the 4 types of diseases. Infectious diseases, hereditary diseases, physiological diseases and deficiency diseases. Now let us take a look at all this in detail. Infectious diseases are caused by microorganism which is spread from one person to another person. For example, common cold. The next type of diseases are hereditary diseases which is caused by the gene. The abnormalities of gene causes the hereditary diseases. It is coming from the parents or their grandparents. For example, heart diseases and color blindness. Physiological diseases. These diseases are caused by the malfunction of the organs. For example, asthma. The final one is deficiency diseases. Deficiency diseases are the deficiency of nutrients. That means the lack of nutrients which causes the various diseases. For example, kwashiorkor, marasmus, these are the deficiency diseases. In lack of nutrients, these cause the nutritional children. These are the 4 types of diseases. Thank you, children.